Greetings from West Point Military Academy. This is the Metro-North train ride alongside of the Hudson River, and we just passed the Garrison New York stop, and here is an autumn foliage look. For October 10th. Garrison would be one stop away from Bear Mountain, so anyone who's looking to do some autumn foliage viewing should get an idea of what to expect. This is just turning colors. And the views when riding the Metro-North are just great. This is a ride from Grand Central Station, 42nd Street in New York, to Poughkeepsie, to the walkway over the Hudson Bridge. And I made sure to get a train car seat on the left-hand side of the train. As if the ride here alone is the destination itself. And that's one of the great things about autumn, is that no matter where you go, the view outside the window is indeed the destination. Another great reminder about autumn is that it is okay to change. And change can be beautiful. This is the area known as Cold Spring, New York, as we see right here. Welcome to Cold Spring. But yes, an autumn look of I Love New York on October 10th. Till next time, from Cold Spring, happy autumn. That would be Bear Mountain, West Point, walkway over the Hudson. Until next time, from I Love New York.